Hey guys, it's your girl. Hey guys, it's your girl Crystal and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the family. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back sis. So today I'm going to give you guys a true update to this Gleamin Clay mask that I've been using for 30 days. And I'm also going to compare it to my Aztec healing clay that I've been using for like 2 years. A lot of people have asked me like which one I like better, how I really feel about the Gleamin Clay mask, and so on. So like in this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys how I really feel and give you kind of like some pros and cons of each one. Hopefully that will sum up all of the questions that I've been getting asked over the last like a month or so since I've ordered this or since I've been talking about this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I also have a notebook so that I don't forget to talk about like certain topics. So if you see me looking down, that's why, because I don't want to forget to tell you guys anything, and my dogs are currently fighting. Okay, so first of all, let's just talk about the amount of product that's in each one. This is a whole pound, 1 pound, and this can run you from like $10 to $12, $13 depending on where you get it from. This will last you at least a year, This is 2 ounces, sis, and it is $39.99. 2 ounces, $39.99. I don't know how long this will last because I mean, I've been only using it for 30 days, but 2 ounces, don't know how far 2 ounces will go. Because right now I'm already scraping the bottom, as you can see, but there's still some like on the perimeter. And then I don't even know when I got this new container, but it's still hella product left in there because you only really need like a teaspoon maybe. Next is the ingredients. They're both 100% natural ingredients. So this one is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. That's this. This one is turmeric and aloe vera. They're both natural, depending on, you know, which side you want to go to. They're both natural. This one is also vegan free and cruelty free. This one, it doesn't say that it's vegan or cruelty, so I can't say if it does not state that. So this one actually gets rid of acne. Like, sis, put this on your acne, and I will insert a picture of what my acne used to look like. Put this on there, it dries it all up, and like it's gone. Like I can begin a breakout and I put this on the breakout area and it's gone in like a day and a half, 2 days at least, 2 days max is gone. This one, for me, it did not clear up any acne. I have seen people talk about how it cleared up acne, it cleared up dark spots, which, I mean, vitamin C should clear up dark spots, but like I said, I've only been using it for 30 days. So it probably can clear up dark spots, but I feel like maybe 30 days may not be long enough, but I just want to do an update for you guys. So this one for me, when I did have a breakout, I tried to use it and I feel like it irritated the breakout area even more. So I did not use it anymore after that as far as like for breakouts. I just put my Aztec clay on the breakouts. So that's that. This one for me, this is my opinion, did not get rid of my acne. This one is very drying, like dry. So like if you already have dry skin, I would recommend you leaving this on for only maybe like 5 minutes. And enough time for it to actually dry and get in your skin, and then that's it. Like normally it says to leave it on here for about 15 to 20 minutes, but like for more sensitive skin, it does say 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, 10 to 15 is a good amount of time. I usually leave mine for like 15, 20 because I start doing other things and I'm just like, whatever. But yeah, this is very drying and you definitely need to follow up with a moisturizer, serum, toner, like all types of moisturizing products after this, as you should anyways, but you really need to make sure you do it with this one. The Gleamin Clay Mask, it is very moisturizing because, I mean, aloe vera is moisturizing, so this is very moisturizing. You don't need a lot of products to moisturize your skin after this one, but probably just a moisturizer because this is moisturizing. Yeah, that's it. Like, it's not as dry as the Indian Healing Clay Mask, and it doesn't dry down like the Indian Healing Clay Mask. Like, this starts to dry and gets like you can see it cracking on your skin. This one, once it starts to dry, it doesn't dry to where it's like crackling on your skin. Crackling? This one does not give you an instant glow. Like, no. I feel like it might give you a glow after you put on moisturizer, but then it's like, is it actually the moisturizer that's giving you the glow, or is it the Healing Clay Mask that's giving you the glow? I don't think it does not give you a glow. If it dries you out like that, it's not giving you the glow at all. So that, yeah, no glow. This one though, I'm gonna insert like a little clip, but after you use this, your skin is literally glowing. Like, it's glowing and it looks really, really good, to be honest. And it's like, it's cute. Like, you can do that like no makeup look or the no makeup look with this, but you will have to do it like the day of, because I feel like if you do it the day before, the glow wears off. Like, the glow wears off after probably a few hours. So like, if you want this glow like every single day, you will have to use this every single day. And I was not using this every single day. I was using this like twice a week because I didn't want to like overdo it. I didn't really know how it was gonna work out. So I only used it twice a week. And you know, it gave me that instant glow on the days that I actually used it. This here, when I was first going through my acne healing and like my whole breakouts and everything and trying to get my skin in order, I was using this probably 2 to 3 times a week. Now that my skin isn't breaking out as much anymore, I only use it when I get a really bad breakout or when I feel like my skin needs like a deep cleansing, or when I've been wearing makeup a lot. I don't wear makeup that often. Like, I have on makeup now, but probably wear makeup like once or twice a week now. So yeah, I need some water. Next thing is the smell. So this Gleamin Clay Mask, it actually has a smell to it. It doesn't bother me, but if you are someone who is sensitive to smells or doesn't like your product to smell, this one definitely has a scent. I can't lemony, I don't know, but anyways, it has a scent. So if you are someone who does not like scented products, you might not like this one. I don't know. The Aztec clay, it does not have a scent. Yeah, like literally no scent at all. But when you mix it with the apple cider vinegar, that's where you're gonna get the scent from. So it's going to smell like apple cider vinegar, which isn't too bad. I feel like you can dilute it with water maybe, but for me, apple cider vinegar does not smell bad, so I'm able to tolerate it. What else? So multiple usage. So the Indian Healing Clay Mask, you can use this for multiple things. Like, you can use it on your face and you can use it on your hair. So you're getting a lot of products. I feel like you're just really, this is like a really good product for the price that it is. So you can use it on your hair and your face. The Gleamin Clay Mask though, I'm pretty sure you can only use it on your face. I would never attempt to use this on my hair. Yeah, this is just for your face. So face only, hair, and skin. Like, this will get your curls popping. So all you natural girls out there, I can't lie, I definitely love the Aztec Healing Clay Mask better than the Gleamin Clay Mask. because for me, this just does not get rid of my acne, but it might get rid of your acne. So you can try it for yourself. So don't come for me in the comments. Everything works differently for everybody. This definitely works for my acne. And this is a lot, you get a lot more product for the price. This is $40. Like, I'm not spending, I'm sorry, I'm so frugal. I'm not spending $40 on this again. I just really wanted to try it out because people were going crazy on Instagram over it. So I just really need to try it for myself. Nice glow, but long term, not so. This, I will be using this long term. I've already been using it long term. I've been using it for like 2-3-ish years or so, and it's definitely worked wonders for me right when I first started using it. Like, the next day I could see results from this that like actually last. So that was my final review on these two products. This is always going to be my go-to. If I want a little glow, I'll go use this one. So yeah, so that is all I have. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Of course, leave me comments, like this video, make sure you subscribe as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. For me, like, okay, I have to put my dog toys up because she's trying to play and I'm trying to record. I want to have natural ingredients. I don't know why I just lost my whole train of thought. Like, I'm going crazy. So this one has turmeric,